Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset the HONOR Magic8 Lite. So if you're giving this away, if you're sending it away for repairs, it's always advisable to wipe your data. And the best way to do that is to go to your settings menu, scroll down to the bottom, System and Updates, and even if you have a software update available, it's always advisable to just click Reset, and then in the Reset section, click on Reset Phone, and you'll have a series of accounts here. As you can see, I have a few, and then click Reset Phone. Once you've entered your passcode, you'll be shown this screen where you get a little warning saying that resetting your device will erase system data and installed apps. Your personal files such as music, photos and eSIMs will be permanently deleted. And then it gives you a couple of other options, but I'm going to use the reset button, and then it will erase your phone. This process usually takes a couple of minutes, and then your phone will restart. Once it's restarted, it will boot into Magic OS and get ready to be set up as a new phone again. Now, one thing I usually advise is to get your SIM ejector tool and use that to essentially make sure that your SIM is not in the device. Now, in the case of this device, look at the bottom of the phone. Make sure you put your SIM ejector tool not in the microphone hole next to the USB-C port, but in the actual SIM ejector SIM tray hole. Once you've done that, you can pop it out, get your SIM card out, put your tray back in, and your HONOR smartphone is ready to be sent away or given to someone else. So there you go. That's how to factory reset the HONOR Magic8 Lite. If you have any questions about this, if you'd like to know more, feel free to leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.